Hello, and welcome to My Cordella. Please take your time to find a comfortable position near the system and begin when you are ready. My Cordella is searching for your sensor. Please hold the reader over your sensor. Your PA pressure was successfully recorded. Please return the reader to the docking station. Please place the probe comfortably on your finger. Your heart rate and blood oxygen level have been recorded. Please remove the probe. Please place the blood pressure cuff on your arm, above the elbow. Tighten to a snug fit. Your blood pressure measurement has been recorded. Please remove the cuff. Please step on the scale while My Cordella measures your weight. A summary of your vital signs is now shown. Your information will be sent to your healthcare provider momentarily. Your information has been successfully sent.
Karen, I'm going to do the blood work tomorrow, so they should have the results in the next couple of days. Thank you for following up with me.